In this review, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, classification, landmark, features, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is a nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 5.6, which is the passable. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Of the hotel is superb features like service and one category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and continue to stay. The reviews and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that